Today is nail day, so we are going to try a product that I ran across not too long ago and I couldn't wait to share it with you. It is the Incoco nail polish applique. It's a nail polish strip. I've been looking for items that I can use at home to make my nails look the best they can look, because naturally they are looking horrendous. I have not been to a nail salon to have my nails done since March, and you can certainly tell it. I have to admit they look healthier because for years and years they have not seen natural light. I mean, I've had the acrylic nails forever, but they still look hideous. So I am doing everything I can at home to improve the look of my nails. And so they may not be perfect, they may not be the healthiest they could be, but at least I can camouflage them. And I've been using some of the acrylic press-on nails, which I do enjoy, but I was looking for something a little different. And I ran across the Incoco nail polish appliques. These are nail polish strips that you apply to your own nail, and it looks like you've been to a nail salon. I don't know, if you are really good at applying your own nail polish, then enjoy it. But I don't care how many times I go around my cuticle with a little paintbrush with nail polish remover trying to make them look like they do at the salon. They don't look like they do at the salon. But with these, you can pretty much replicate anything you want that they can do at the salon. So I was in Ulta and I ran across this product, and let me show you. The receipt is $4 for this product. It is 16 double-ended strips. Now these are actual strips of nail polish. It's not a sticker. It's just an applique of nail polish, thin nail polish. It was designed so that those of us who want to do our own nails can do it without waiting for your nails to dry. And so when you apply these, they're dry and you can go on your way and it looks great. So I decided to get some for the holidays, and I got the Break the Ice, which is a silver glitter. And then I got the Love Potion, which is a pink glitter. I thought that was really cute. You can get these with solid colors. You can get French manicure. You can get pedicure. They have them for pedicures. They have a petite size for small fingers or younger girls or boys who want to do their nails. And I was just amazed. So we're going to give these a try. I'm going to show you how they're done. And we are first going to do an experiment. I'm going to put these acrylic nails on that are made by Kiss on one hand, because my nails look pretty darn bad. And so I want to see if this is going to work on these acrylic nails. My bet is it's going to. I know you can get the Kiss nails with the nail art on it, but I just want to see if this works. And then on my other hand, I'm just going to use the nail polish strip and see how that looks. But of course the length's going to be different because my nails are so short. But let's give it a try and just experiment and see how this goes. Now the first thing I'm going to do is remove any moisturizer that I might have on my nails, because I use a lot of moisturizer on my hands. And so I'm using nail polish remover. The Incocos come with a nail prep pad, but this is just as easy for me because I keep nail polish remover handy. And so I'm going to remove that. So first I'm going to push my cuticles back and I'm going to apply acrylic nails to one hand.
Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime for you. Carefree and to do. Who cares?
applied. This is the medium length. I've been wearing the real short length, but I thought I would give the medium a try, see if I like that much better. Now we're going to apply the nail polish strips. Incoco nail polish applique, and I'm going to use the Love Potion Pink Glitter Over Clear. Now if you notice, it comes with a tiny little nail file, but I have my enormous nail file. I don't even know if this is necessary, but we're going to find out. And I have my cube. It's a buffing cube. It is also a nail file cube, and love that. But it also comes with a nail prep, pads for removing any moisturizer that you might have on your nails, and instructions, which are fairly simple. And believe me, I need simple. Now I'm glad I'm using the Love Potion Pink first so that you can see it. I'm going to put in some close-ups. I think they'll be easier to see on camera than the Silver Glitter Break the Ice. But I can't wait to use Break the Ice for New Year's. I think that would be fabulous. If you're unable to find the really cute seasonal nail art appliques, then check the website. And if you have a particular color you're looking for, they have a huge variety of solid colors. So if you have that special outfit you're going to wear and you want a color to match, I bet they have it. So let's get started. So we're going to peel the applique off of the card. And let's peel it back. Now I'm peeling the plastic off of the applique. There's a cover for that. And now I am going to peel off the nail polish strip. And it's a little delicate, but there we go. And then apply that to your nail. Now this Love Potion glitter is somewhat like an ombre effect in that it starts light at the cuticle and becomes more dense toward the end. Now what you do is you wrap the edge of that applique underneath your nail tip, and now we're going to file off the remainder of the applique. And what you have is a no smudge, no drippy looking nail polish. And if I can do this and it turn out looking this cute, I am just amazed. This is really pretty darn simple, and this is something we can do at home anytime we want to, and change your colors anytime you want to, because look at this. And then we'll just take it off with nail polish remover and reapply it for $4. That's amazing to me. And it is on there. That looks great. I'm going to put a close-up in for you. Love it. Now I'm going to try it with my real nail, not the acrylic nail. So let's do that here. We're going to peel this off. Okay, now we're going to try this. Now this nail is much shorter than these acrylic nails, but honestly, it might be sticking a little better. What you have when you finish is a polish that looks like done in a salon with glitter and then a top coat of clear polish over that. Really pretty. And then we file. I have to tell you though, you have to use a bit of patience with this, but I guess that's true with even nail polish that's in a bottle. So just take your time, get it the way you want it, and then you'll be pleased with the outcome. And if you get a chance, look for your favorite color and the seasonal nail art. because I would thought there were some really cute things. I think you're going to enjoy these Incoco nail polish strips. And if you do, let me know. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, tap the subscribe button and the little bell that's just to the side of the subscribe button. And that'll let you know every time I post a new video. And follow me on Instagram. Bye!